In 2021, I did a video called "Due to Less Air Pollution, the Universal logo is now visible." So I waited until 2023 to do a behind the scenes for it. The concept was I was going to walk outside and the Universal logo from movies was going to be flying over my head in the sky. The first thing I did was motion track the scene. After that, I placed a test object in the scene to make sure the motion track was good, and then I went into Element 3D. In Element 3D, I typed out the word Universal, and I wasn't really concerned with the accuracy to the actual Universal logo. I just did the rotation, position, scale, color grading, all that stuff to make it look how I wanted it to, and then I had to figure out how I was going to composite it to make it look good in the scene. I thought about rotoscoping, but that idea went away quick because you would never get the detail on the edges of the palm trees and my hair, and even the clouds for that matter, if you rotoscope. I pretty much used the sky as a blue screen, so I just selected the sky, and there you go. It's pretty good, but I did some adjusting, and this is what I ended up with. This may be a behind the scenes breakdown on how I did the Universal video, but it's really a video on how to use the sky as a blue screen. Because you can take this concept and use it for anything, not just the Universal logo.